Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the site's raw data and the program you must satisfy. Take measurements in feet and inches and note elevations. Once done, list primary functions and rank them 1 to 3 so you know what must take precedence. Make sure to record constraints, budget, code setbacks, fixed walls, and utilities, because these will shape every layout decision you make. Don't assume anything. Now sketch a simple bubble diagram tying high-priority uses to site areas and move directly to dimension planning. You now convert the bubble diagram into a dimension plan, assign realistic room sizes, and write dimensions on each space. As you draw, prioritize circulation, use 3-foot corridors, and maintain 30 to 36-inch clearances at doors to ensure flow. Once done, cluster plumbing and mechanicals to minimize runs. Keep plumbing stacks within about 10 to 15 feet of each other to save cost. Make sure to test sight lines and furniture fits on paper so you avoid scale surprises later. You finish by producing a clear, annotated plan that shows walls, door swings, appliances, and fixed elements. Add notes for finishes and required clearances. Once done, run a checklist for egress, daylight, HVAC zoning, and structural supports to confirm feasibility. If you find conflicts, overlapping clearances, or blocked egress, resolve by prioritizing safety and code, then redraw at a smaller scale like 1 to 50 for quick iterations. A key troubleshooting tip: if dimensions clash, temporarily remove non-essential partitions to regain usable area and reassign functions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.